If you're a business owner, you have to think about advertising. And today I want to share with you what I consider to be common sense advertising that anyone with a business that serves a local community should be doing. But what I want to share with you is just kind of a frame of thought and then some basic concepts that have worked super well for my clients. Bottom line is this: the temptation to overproduce videos and to make things look so fancy, or to use a lot of trendy kind of tactics these days, it's a pretty heavy temptation. But the reality is simple. Common sense outperforms fancy any day of the week. So here's where I'm going with this. If you take your business and you create one simple video where you introduce yourself, you introduce your service, and who your service or your products are for, and then you serve it where that community exists, example being on YouTube. Almost everybody uses YouTube these days, and it's my favorite advertising platform because it's low cost and it's a video. You're introducing yourself to someone so they have a personified perspective of your business and who's presenting it. The common sense aspect is simple. You take a short introductory video that doesn't have to be high production quality, and then you serve it in the zip code where your video belongs. So the example would be, one of my clients is a roofing company. They've had 450,000 views inside the state and the locations that they specifically install these roofs, specifically introducing a common sense video to that group of people. It has way more persuasion, way more influence than trying to impress somebody with visual effects. The other example might be, if you're a med spa and you provide laser hair removal or you provide skincare, you do it within a community, say Boston or Dallas. If you create that short video where you don't talk about before and after, because those things tend to be regulated in the advertising space, instead you just simply introduce who you are, what your spa offers, and don't talk about those things that tend to be limited in advertising. And then you just serve it inside that community with one simple common sense ad. You're going to get the results from the right people that come in to your practice every single day. So common sense ads are simply creating one simple video, then programming the advertisement through the right demographics using a method on either YouTube local ads with video or in Facebook. My preference these days, YouTube 100%. So those of you that would like to actually speak with me about how to do this in your business, get in touch with me. Click the link down below, fill out the form, and I'll reach out to you just as soon as I can. That's my short thought on common sense advertising. Thanks for your time.